Welcome to the G45 Volume 5 Monthly Kit Overview video. This month we are using our hit collection Ocean Blue, and we are creating a lot of really fun projects. I'm Shari Mahala here at the G45 headquarters, and again this month we are here alone since we are still social distancing and working from home. We hope that you two are staying healthy and safe and having a little bit of fun while you're inside, and hopefully getting creative and pulling out all those goodies. So each month G45 sends out 2 different club kits. The first one we're going to go over is our Club G45 kit. This one is a little bit more substantial, and this is where we learn how to do larger scale projects like mini albums and home decor. And then our other one is our G45 Card Club, where we teach you how to do 3 different cards, and you learn a new technique every month, but you get supplies to do at least 6 cards. So to go over these, the first one we're going to go over is our Club G45, and this month we have an exclusive kit from Jim Hankins, the gentleman crafter. So he's been so kind to lend his master talents to us and offered us the kit, the chipboard kits for his collector's box. And in this collector's box, it also has this fun little pocket that's great for this cute little mini album or little journal. And so these have been decorated by the wonderful Annette Green, and she has taken our ocean blue patterns and solids, as well as our rose bouquets, ocean blue stickers, and some of the fabulous ocean blue die cut assortments, and really had a good time decorating and putting these things together. So we'll walk you through how to make the box from the chipboard kit, as well as the album with the fun pages inside. And then inside, for the fun little make and take project this month, we are going to be making these super cute little matchbook boxes. So for this project, they'd be great for holding in some sand from the beach, little seashells, or other little trinkets from your explorations. But they're also a great little gift idea if you are in a pinch. So that's Club G45, and of course you can subscribe and get our Club G45 kits sent to you directly in the mail every month, or you can just pick up the kits as you'd like, so you can just always pick up just this kit if you would like as well. So to do that, you just hop on over to our website, G45papers.com, and then go to our club, our monthly kit category. And then also this month we are going to be creating these super fun easel cards. These have been created by Ropp, and she's done a fabulous job this month taking our ocean blue 8x8 papers, the chipboard, and just really showcasing what you can do with those. Another fun thing for this month is we have these really great ocean blue cardstock card bases, and then a nice ivory envelope for those to go in. And these are a perfect match for our ocean blue, and they're a great square size. And then along with that, we're also going to be using our G45 square ivory tags. And you can see Ginger has used those in 3 fun different ways. So it's going to be fun to do this tutorial with you as well. And of course, you can pick up this kit, you can subscribe to our card club as well, you can subscribe to both, or you can just grab whatever supplies you've got at home and you can make this just with what you have in your stash already. So you're going to want to be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then hit that notification bell. And then once you do that, you'll get notifications of every time we have a new tutorial up or a new kit out there. But we have also linked these 3 different tutorials below in the description, and you can also find them up there in the info cards, those nice links to these tutorials. So grab your papers and let's have a little bit of fun.